Ka Directorate of Sport and Youth Affairs hakani ka kynti ka phah haduh sanpuh Ngut ki khynnah kyntup ki coach banai shim bynta ha ki jingialehkai sports babun jait kaban long ha Bhopal Madhya Pradesh kabalatip kum ka Khelo India Youth Games. Kini ki samla kin mi na Shillong hakalai phawai tarik Kyllalyngkot bat kin wan phai hakakhat tarik Rymphang. Ki jingialehkai kin kyntup ka football, archery, athletics, judo, kayaking and canoeing, shooting, swimming, tennis but yoga. Na liang sorkar menta kasini ka arpusan tarik Kyllalyngkot kala penlong ka jing khublei kit bok yaki samla ki baya shim bynta ha ki jingialehkai hakani ka lumpung ba jangkari India.
And form a series circle yang ini ante hakring badan ketika bana. Di situ kita menjawab di sana.
Kini ketika national level Khelo India Youth Games ke Shillong mentah po Madhya Pradesh di po Bhopal po Indo di ni bekrep mentah ke state team kan ni mah ke state team mentah ke ni leit ka participate in the national level jong Khelo India.
I request all the team officials, managers, coaches, please kindly meet Madam Daisy and also the chef de mission, Madam Jingialehkai. I request all the coaches, manager, please kindly meet Madam Daisy and Madam Jingialehkai after the refreshment.
Kemas ni patio jingtip haduh mentaruk no tarik jingialehkai. Tapang instrumen ba pandai ku aki archery.
Archery yang mulai Rymphang
jong
Februari.
Ini ki nominate ni napok ni ka National Sports Federation. Dia mentaki nominate pratili mangi ngidon mangi mendak mau lut mau boro tambah ka Kerala gadon West Bengal gadon Punjab gadon mata Karnataka Madhya Pradesh sebagai itu 12
dia pindah ke football football ki kena pilih kai jadi na Shillong
ki under 18 lagu lagi gini bro kila don na bro ki district kan
no kar kom pen krek kena
ni ngi kedok ya coaching ya selection trial han tarik Disember dia ngi sedang ya practice penduduk bena ya neduk lai tarik Januari jadi ko open trial ngi khot don pentip bro ki association jong ki state association sorry ki district association nang kini ki club kini tai bro ngi pentip dia ki one trial han tarik dia ka training ya sedang duk lai tarik mong batai fi permit jungi kan dei
tarik.
Actually, we are doing yoga in Meghalaya since last 15 years, and we are just training the citizens mostly for how to being well and to being fit. But recently, in 2020, it has come up that can be a sports event as yogasana, only asana, not in pranayam and all. So it has been taken up in sports, and we have been immediately formed under the banner of National Yogasana Sports Federation. We got affiliated with them and affiliated presently with Indian Olympics Association. Directly we got the affiliation through them, and our process going on with Meghalaya Yogasana Sports, Meghalaya Olympic Association. And this is the first time that we have got this wildcard entry, and 2 participants from our state, from West Garo Hills and East Khas Hills, are participating in this prestigious event, Khelo India.
Hi Daisy. Could you name them?
One is Dhubajit Sharma, and is Vikas Sharma.
Kisi 18 ilaya practice kaba ilaya leit hi kat balak tu.
We are at least hoping for a medal.
Kumlo pising opi abali shimta sa bar jong ka jala.
Is no comment hi namal ba long Directorate India te ka kham hi ban yo te ni so comment hi tambang ni leit shutam hi bang ila ban ra medal ma shane ladang kham yo medal ru ni atri shutam shushu ban kham kiu shushu kham chapang kham yo shu hi bang kham pan ni ban so sarong ya la ka state ma